Ever wonder why you look like an ape? Have you ever looked in the mirror and noticed something peculiar? Those bright eyes, that grasping hand, that mischievous grin, they might remind you of someone or something else. You share a surprising number of features with our closest relatives in the animal kingdom, apes. But why is that? The answer, my friends, lies in the fascinating story of human evolution. We often hear the phrase humans evolved from apes, but that's not entirely accurate. Think of it like this. You and your cousins share grandparents, right? You didn't evolve from your cousins, but you share a common ancestor. It's the same with humans and apes. We didn't evolve directly from chimpanzees or gorillas. Instead, we share a common ancestor that lived millions of years ago. Over time, different branches of this family tree evolved and adapted to their environments, leading to the incredible diversity of life we see today. So, the next time you lock eyes with a chimpanzee at the zoo, remember, you're looking at family. Evolution is like a really long game of telephone. It all started billions of years ago with the simplest forms of life, like tiny single-celled organisms. These little guys were the original players in the game. Over countless generations, they passed on their traits to their offspring. But here's the thing. Sometimes those traits would change a little bit. These changes, called mutations, could be random, like a typo in the game of telephone. Most of the time, these mutations were neither good nor bad. But every now and then, a mutation popped up that gave an organism an advantage in its environment. Maybe it helped them find food more easily, or escape from predators, or attract a mate. These lucky individuals were more likely to survive and pass on their winning traits to their offspring. Over millions of years, these small changes added up, leading to the incredible diversity of life we see today. Fast forward millions of years, and we arrive at a pivotal point in our family tree, the common ancestor of humans and apes. This wasn't your average ape. Scientists believe this ancestor was probably a small, furry creature that lived in trees and walked on all fours. Imagine a creature with a mix of ape-like and monkey-like features, a sort of missing link that connects us to our primate past. Over time, this ancestral population split into different lineages. One branch led to the apes we know today: chimpanzees, gorillas, orangutans, and gibbons. The other branch? That's us. We embarked on our own unique evolutionary journey, developing traits that set us apart from our ape cousins, and paved the way for the emergence of Homo sapiens modern humans. Section 4. Walking tall, thinking big. What sets us apart from our ape cousins? So, what exactly makes us different from our ape relatives? One of the most obvious differences is our upright posture and bipedal locomotion. Unlike apes, who primarily walk on all fours, humans evolved to walk on two legs. This freed up our hands for all sorts of cool things like using tools, making art, and building civilizations. Another key difference lies in our brains. Human brains are significantly larger than those of apes, particularly in the prefrontal cortex, the region responsible for complex thought, planning, and decision-making. This allows us to engage in abstract thinking, language, and problem-solving at a level unmatched by any other species on Earth. These cognitive abilities have been crucial to our success as a species, allowing us to adapt to a wide range of environments and develop complex cultures and technologies. Section 5. Ape Genius and Human Quirks. Fun facts from the family album. Despite our differences, humans and apes share a surprising number of similarities. Did you know that chimpanzees can recognize themselves in a mirror, or that gorillas can learn sign language and communicate using hundreds of words? Apes are incredibly intelligent creatures, capable of complex emotions, problem-solving, and social interactions. They even exhibit cultural variations between different groups, much like humans. On the flip side, humans have some unique quirks that set us apart from our ape relatives. For example, we're the only primates that cry emotional tears. We're also the only species that experiences the awkward and hilarious stage of puberty. Section 6. Evolution in action, from your morning coffee to your best friend's dog. Evolution isn't just something that happened millions of years ago, it's an ongoing process that continues to shape life on Earth, including us. Take coffee, for example. The coffee beans we roast and brew are the result of centuries of selective breeding by humans. Farmers selected coffee plants with desirable traits, such as larger beans or higher caffeine content, and bred them together. Over time, these small changes added up, resulting in the coffee we know and love today. The same goes for our furry companions. Dogs, with their incredible diversity of breeds, are a testament to the power of artificial selection. Over thousands of years, humans have selectively bred dogs for specific traits, from the herding instincts of sheepdogs to the lapdog cuddlability of pugs. From the food we eat to the pets we share our homes with, evolution is woven into the very fabric of our daily lives. Section 7. Why it matters. Understanding our past to shape our future. Understanding human evolution isn't just about digging up fossils and tracing our lineage back millions of years. It's about understanding who we are, where we come from, and what makes us human. It's about appreciating the interconnectedness of all living things and recognizing our place within the vast web of life on Earth. By studying our evolutionary history, we can gain insights into our biology, our behavior, and our place in the natural world. We can learn about the origins of human diseases, the roots of our social behaviors, and the evolutionary pressures that have shaped our species. This knowledge can then be used to address some of the most pressing challenges facing humanity, from combating disease, to promoting conservation, to fostering a greater understanding and appreciation for the diversity of life on our planet. So, the next time you ponder the wonders of the cosmos or marvel at the intricate workings of nature, remember this: you are a product of billions of years of evolutionary history, a testament to the power of natural selection and the interconnectedness of all living things, and that, my friends, is something truly extraordinary.